Hey guys, I'm Alex, born in Beverly Hills. I'm going to be driving this Lamborghini Aventador Pirelli Edition Roadster. I will tell you everything you should know about this car and we will listen to this amazing brutal sound. Come on in. Before we hit the road, let me tell you my 5 favorite things about this car. First of all, the color. It's absolutely amazing. Yellow and red accent, I love it. Second thing is the size. I love the size of this car. It starts very narrow and then you have some carbon fiber in the front and then you keep moving, going up, it gets bigger and bigger and thicker. You still have some carbon fiber fender on the side. You have this beautiful black matte cover on the top and you have the transparent engine cover and it gets bigger and thicker. My third favorite thing is the engine cover. I love the fact that you're able to see this amazing engine. I mean, look at it, 6.5 liter, V12, 700 horsepower. It's amazing. The sound is absolutely incredible, extremely brutal. Look at the exhaust, it's perfect. The fourth favorite thing that I love is the interior. The interior is absolutely amazing. You have some leather, some carbon fiber, you have the red accent stitches, you have the Alcantara. I mean, it's super comfortable and it's still a sports car. And my 5th favorite things about this car is of course the power. It's super fast, extremely fast. Actually, it's mind-blowing fast. It goes to top speed 217 miles per hour. 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds. Everything is focused on the driving and the driver experience. I mean, when you look at the main console, you have some carbon fiber right here, but you don't have that much. It's not too buzzy. You have your 3 most important modes, Strada, Sport, and Corsa, comfort, sport handling, and racing. And then you have your windows, the lift, the traction control, parking, and that's it. Everything else is not that much important. The only issue that I have is, of course, the screen. I find it extremely small. For a $460,000 car, I find the screen could be a little bit better. The paddle shifter, I absolutely love it. They are the perfect size. The design is very minimalistic and very simple. It's not too buzzy, but then at the same time, you don't feel like it's not fancy enough to not be a Lamborghini. And what I love about this car is the start engine button. I mean, when you look at it, it's absolutely amazing. It looks so futuristic. It looks like it's straight up from Top Gun or a nuclear launching control. You just press it, and here you go. You hear this brutal noise right away. You totally understand what kind of engine you're getting to. Now let's go drive it. right, let's go. Holy shit! Woo! Wow, it's super fast, like mind-blowing fast. I never thought the kicks would be that strong. I mean, every time the engine switch, it's absolutely insane, mind-blowing. Let me slow down everything and let you know about the engine. It's a 6.5 liter V12, 700 horsepower, four-wheel drive, 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds, top speed, 217 miles. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. No turbo, no bullshit, no hybrid technology, just pure mechanic. When you go high in RPM, it's amazing. I mean, look at it. Woo! I can't feel my neck. I was not expecting that the kickback will be that strong. Wow. All right, guys, so now we're gonna listen to this beast. Let's go. The roof is an absolute nightmare to put back. I mean, I don't understand how they could have a meeting and expect on a $460,000 car to have no electric roof and just have a manual roof that you have to put back by yourself, which takes at least 10 minutes. I mean, this is ridiculous. Like, you have no space. Like, if you want to put a luggage, you cannot do. If you want to put anything beside a bottle of water, you have no space. So that's the only issue I have with this car and the gas mileage. The gas mileage is ridiculous. It's 9 miles in the city and 11 miles on the highway or the freeway. You know, you do 50 miles at good speed and you're good to go back to the gas station. This was worth $460,000. If you want to buy it right now, you can probably find one for $300,000 to $330,000, depending on the option. This is absolutely one of my favorite cars when it comes to drive. If you like it rough, if you like it intense, brutal, with mind-blowing speed, this is the perfect car for you. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the drive and enjoyed the video. Until next time, I will see you with another supercar or hypercar. Please comment, like, and subscribe. You will find the button right here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.